Ooh, just look at that. Hello beautiful person watching, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these low carb maple barbecue wings. Do not worry, for this ones come without the guilt and it has a healthy twist to it. I'm going to show you in a moment. Before we jump right into the recipe, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button, like and share this video, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any healthy, delicious recipes that I do post every week. Thank you so much, and let's jump right in. You will need the following ingredients. I have over here my chicken wings. I already went ahead and washed them properly and also patted them dry. Over here I have my sugar-free homemade barbecue sauce. Here I have some low sugar maple syrup. Now this is the brand that I'm using. It's good. It's actually only about 1 gram of sugar per 1 tablespoon, and it's also keto friendly, so really very low sugar. I also have over here my homemade Cajun seasoning. I'm going to put that link below in the description box. You can check out how I make my homemade Cajun seasoning. Here I have some salt, and I have over here some baking powder. Make sure you're also using aluminum free. It's also going to help our wings to crisp up properly. And I have some avocado oil to also help the seasoning adhere to the wings. I'm going to start first by just going in with a little bit of oil on the wings. Next, I'll do some salt. You want to make sure that you do your salt to taste. I'll go in with my Cajun seasoning. And I'm also going to put the ingredients and measurements in the description box, so do make sure you check that out. Next, I'll go in with our baking powder. You want to make sure that it gets evenly coated on the chicken. I'm just going to stir to combine. Like so. Next, I'm going to bring my fryer basket and we just pop this inside. I'm going to lightly spray the basket, and next I'll go ahead and just arrange the wings. Just make sure that you don't overcrowd your basket because you want to get the maximum crisp from this. Put them in, and I'm just going to select the chicken. I'll air fry them. I'll select the chicken preset button, 25 minutes on 380, and we're going to check them halfway. So let's check our wings halfway through cooking. Now we are going to go ahead and just flip them over. Can you hear that whistling? I just flip them. Wings have been flipped. I'm just going to pop them back into the air fryer. And I'm just going to drop the time minutes down to 10 minutes. I feel that 10 minutes is going to be enough. And then we'll move to the next step. So this is 10 minutes later. This is how our wings are looking. Ooh, they look gorgeous, by the way. So we are just going to move now to the next step. I'm just going to transfer the wings in this bowl. So we are going to coat it with the sauce. So I have my barbecue sauce right there, and to that I'm just going to add a maple syrup. You want to make sure that you mix it to combine properly before pouring the mixture on the chicken. This is good. I'm going to just transfer it over. Coat this properly, and then we're going to put it back in our basket so that they can crisp up in the air fryer one more time before we can serve them. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to pop them back in the air fryer, and I'm just going to do 400 for maybe 5 minutes. 400 for 5 minutes, and we'll see how they look like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it and that you're going to try this low carb maple barbecue chicken wings. They are so delicious. You're going to love it. Your family will love it. Please do not forget to like this video. Also share it with your family and friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. And thank you all for those that have subscribed. Thank you all for your support and your love. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water. Stay hydrated. Bye.